Hi there, I'm Andrea Garvey, and I'm so excited about my new workshop coming up. It's called Flourish Flow, and it's all about art journaling. So if you love the idea of art journaling and you're not sure where to start, then this workshop is perfect for you. Or if you've been art journaling and you just want to spend 2 hours with us creating and cutting up and painting and stenciling and all of that fun stuff, then this is for you too. I love art journaling. So to me, my sketchbooks and my art journals, they're the same kind of thing. It's like a visual diary where I get to play and explore, experiment. And I really just love the time that I find myself kind of forgetting about everything that's going on. And I'm just in my own little space. In our workshop, we're going to start from scratch. We're going to build backgrounds together, and then we're going to cut stuff up together, which is great, and then we're going to glue and paint and stencil. So all of that's going to happen. You don't have to do any prep work for this class except gather some of your collage materials, and I talk about that in the classroom. So you can spend your time between now and the class just gathering some really great stuff that you want to put into your art journal. Art journaling is not just about having these pretty pictures at the end. It is really about slowing down and exploring and taking that time for yourself. Like, I have been calling it joy therapy because that is how I feel when I'm done creating in my, whether it's my sketchbook or my art journal. When I'm done with that time in my little book, I just feel so good inside. So that is one of the main reasons that I would really encourage you to come and paint with me, because I know that when you're creative, it's in the process of actually making art where you're going to get all your inspiration. That's where the magic happens. I love art journaling because basically any single art supply you have, you can use. We can use everything under the kitchen sink you can put on your art journal page. So we are going to have fun, get messy, and just bring what you have to the class. So the class is on Saturday, March 1st at 12 o'clock Pacific, 3 o'clock Eastern. And like I said, it's around 2 hours. The replay will be up either later in the evening or the next day. And the Zoom link is in the classroom, and you have lifetime access. So you can come back anytime you want to and watch this class. It's yours. But now's the best time to get the price for only $17. And I just can't wait. This is going to be a really fun class. In my last workshop, I asked everybody what they would like to learn next or what they wanted to do next. And there was an overwhelming majority wanted to do art journaling. So I'm like, yes, let's do it. So hope you join me, and I will see you in the studio. All right, bye.